Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's amazing Ingenious tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. The Pookie Buster is the only nut driver specifically designed to bust through sealants and extract screws in one easy step. The Pookie Buster's quick change hex shank and impact-treated steel make the Pookie Buster compatible with most impactors. This close-quarter hacksaw is perfect for cutting in tight, small, and hard-to-reach spaces, making this mini hacksaw a necessary tool for the craftsman's arsenal. This portable hacksaw features an ergonomic rubber grip handle and a dual-action blade lock for safe use. The hacksaw blade holder accepts 10-inch and 12-inch hacksaw blades. Goliath comes with a patented sensor system that triangulates the position of the robot. Thanks to its size and lightweight build, the Goliath CNC router machine allows you to create small to large human-scale designs anywhere you like. Experience the unbeatable convenience of slingshot digital fabrication by creating an on-site working area to carry out your designs. Choose what is best suited to you and appoint an outdoor or indoor workspace. Goliath CNC is equipped with the 3 omnidirectional wheels that allow the robot to move freely. 2-wheel rollers are always in contact with the workpiece, so Goliath's CNC router machine movement is not affected by grooves or profiles that have already been cut. Wiha Torque Key Electric. Electricians are ideally equipped with the insulated torque key at a 10-degree switching angle, especially when fastening components onto bus bars and junction boxes. With 2 directions of rotation, this torque key is ideal for powerful, yet controlled tightening. The user can pull out and turn the handle end to set the required torque value manually by looking at the numeric scale. In addition, thanks to the ball fastener, the nut drivers inserted on a only 4-inch square drive provide a secure hold. Enjoy excellent feedback while fastening and an noticeable snap back on the torque mechanism in the key when the preset torque value is reached. The Verifix bonding table ensures a UV bonding process security unheard of so far. With the aid of the supplied Verifix Pro-Angle suction holders, the required layer thickness of low and medium viscosity adhesives can be precisely applied. TM Mechanics Slider 45. A guide for angle grinders. Mechanics Slider 45 is an innovation in the modern tool market. It is installed on angle grinders with a diameter of 125 mm and also has the ability to cut ceramic tiles and stone without damaging the surface, thanks to fluoroplastic guides. The advantages of the Mechanics Slider 45 nozzle: the possibility of cutting at an angle of 45 degrees, the minimum number of chips, in contrast to the standard cutting method. ENVENTOR's Brushless Cordless Sawzall. The Sawzall comes with a 20-volt brushless motor, which has increased its efficiency by 15%. It's safer, has lower noise, and is more comfortable to use. During the use, it has more runtime and no sparks. Equipped a stepless speed trigger by pressing the switch to change the speed between 0 to 3000 RPM, which improves faster cutting and maximizes cutting control. SKIL Secure Grip Self-Tightening Box Wrench Set. The SKIL Secure Grip Wrenches feature patented self-adjustable inserts that are able to grip rounded-off bolts which can't be gripped with traditional wrenches or sockets. These steel teeth bite into the bolt as you turn, creating effortless loosening or powerful tightening. Oncolge Connection Contour Meter can be an unlimited connection contour meter. It can be used to measure the shape of irregular objects. Instant template for marking precise style cuts. You just have to press the contour gauge on one of the shapes. Trim the outline and cut to shape. The Oncolge Connection Profile Gauge J can block the shape. Once the object has been outlined, it locks the contour gauge teeth in place for perfect traces every time. The handy multifunctional oil filter wrenches are great for removing an oil filter, installing a hard-to-reach drain pipe, or simply opening and closing bottles and jars. Perfect for mechanics, auto mechanics, home personal dyers, and more. The flexible strap wrench adapts to any shape and works easily in tight areas. Just pull the straps to adjust the diameter as needed. The radius of 360 air is designed for quick, effortless movement and a full range of motion. The handlebar laser. A super simple, tool-less design allows you to check and straighten your bike's handlebar. It uses a pair of calibrated lasers to project the plane of your handlebar down onto your fork. Once your lasers line up, tighten your stem per the manufacturer's recommendation. If you change or adjust your bar or stem, or have a crash, your bars may not be straight anymore. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.